Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can mention all your friends in comments in Facebook app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. So let's get down to our topic. Open up the Facebook app on your phone. And let's say that if you would like to put some post on your page and mention all your friends there, unfortunately, you will not be able to do it simply as Facebook users. The only way you will be able to do it is through groups. So, in order to do it through groups, you'll need to go to the menu section, then go to Groups. Now your groups. And this is where you'll find your groups, if you have them created. If not, then you can create your group here as well. It will take literally 1 minute. Next, click on your group. Now scroll down. And at the very bottom, you will find the comment section. Go to that. This is where you can write some text. And next, you will need to tag all your friends. How to do this? To do this, go to the keyboard of the sign section and select Doggy here. After that, enter the word everyone, and in this way, you will mark absolutely all your friends. And after that, you can safely put this post in the group. And all the people who are in that group, they will get a notification that you have mentioned them. Friends, this is the simple way you can mention all your friends in Facebook comments. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.